Hello everyone. Good news is that Microsoft has released an official Lite version of the Windows 11 that you can go ahead and try it out yourself, even if you have an old system. So firstly, let me tell you that Windows 11 Lite version is part of the LTSC, which stands for long-term servicing channel. Now in this version of the Windows, Microsoft is simply providing you the operating system for around 10 years. It means in that 10 years or maybe less or more, you are only going to receive the security updates, nothing more. So you won't be receiving any feature updates that you are currently receiving in the normal version of the Windows. And aside from that, Microsoft has also decreased these hardware requirements where you can just go ahead and try them out yourself. Now the good news is that it is available right now and you can just go ahead and download and try it out yourself. So let's go ahead and let me show you how you can download that. Firstly, you have to go ahead, search for Windows 11 LTSC and then press enter. Now it's going to take you to the Windows 11 IoT Enterprise website. Now here you are able to see the exact minimum requirements for that. So let's go ahead and check out the hardware requirements for it, and then I'll tell you how you can just go ahead, download it, and then go ahead and try it out yourself inside your system. So as you can see, these are the preferred minimum system requirements, and this is the optional minimum system requirements. It means even if your system has these requirements, you can just go ahead and try them out yourself. So firstly, the processor has to be 1 gigahertz or 2 core, and the same process apply for the optional. And there is also the memory of 4 GB is required, that is the preferred. However, you can also try it out with the 2 GB of RAM. Aside from that, a storage of 64 GB and then 16 GB of storage is also enough that you can just go ahead and try it out. Also, solid state drive is required in this version of the Windows. However, even if you have an HDD or SSHD, or even if you have a flash memory of eMMC, SD or USB, you can still go ahead and try them out yourself. So the system firmware UEFI is the latest version of the technology that has been used, I think, from the generation 7 of the Intel processors. However, the older version of the BIOS, you can say the classic version, is also compatible with running the Windows 11 Lite. And there is also the TPM required in the new version. However, it is optional in the older version. You can still try them out. There's also the secure boot that must be enabled. However, in the old version, that is optional too. Now DirectX 12 and DirectX 10, as you can see, the display has to be HD, or you can say the custom size. So as you can see, these are the minimum system requirements that you can just go ahead and try them out yourself. However, please be informed that your system will work a bit slow compared to the preferred minimum system requirements. As you can see, they are mentioned here. However, still they are good to go and you can work them out yourself. So now if you want to there is also another thing. Now the Windows 11 LTSC, as I said before, is a long-term version of the Windows, and in this version currently it is part of, since it is for the businesses, you can assume that it is available for the evaluation. It means that you can just go ahead, try the Windows 11 Enterprise for free for 90 days. Aside from that, once the evaluation time expires, you can just simply go ahead, reinstall it, or there also comes a code. You can just simply reinstall that and it's going to restate the 90 days period. However, if you want to purchase it, you can just simply go ahead and try that out. Now evolution mostly comes in this process. First, Microsoft releases that in evolution state where companies can try them out, and if they are satisfied, they can just simply go ahead to purchase that version of the Windows. Now same process is applied for the Windows 11 Server 24, 2016, even 2019. Anyway, now to download it, just simply click download. Now as you can see, this is the two version. This is for the normal x86, or you can say x64 or AMD processors, and this is the ARM version if you want to try that in the ARM. However, for now we are using the normal x86 or x64 version of the Windows. All you have to do is just simply click download, and as you can see, this is the version of 2600. It means currently I think this is the Windows 11 24H2. This is the same version. So all you have to do is just simply click download. Once it's downloaded, you can just simply go ahead, use Rufus to simply create a bootable USB, and then install it in your old system without having any issues. So this is as simple as that. Go ahead, try that out, and then let me know in the comment section what was your experience about it. For now, have a nice day, goodbye, and I'll meet you guys in the next video.